Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to make a beautiful lemon butter. This is a fantastic little recipe. It doesn't last long in my house, but you can make some great desserts with it as well. It's versatile, you can use it as a spread, you can use it for lemon tarts, a whole bunch of things. And I'm going to do some recipes with this lemon butter. But first of all, we need to get the lemon butter recipe ready to go. So come on guys, let's get cooking. Okay, for the ingredients you're going to need 4 whole eggs, 3/4 of a cup of caster sugar, 1/2 cup of lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of lemon zest, and 125 grams of chopped butter. Now I've got a pot of water on here which is on a gentle simmer. You don't want it on a rolling boiler. I'm going to put a stainless steel bowl in there, and that's what we're going to cook our lemon curd in. We're just going to turn that temperature down just a little bit. Okay, so I've got my bowl over that simmering water, gentle simmering water. I'm just going to put my sugar in and my 4 eggs. And then we want to whisk this until it's all combined. And basically what you're going to do is you're going to whisk this until the sugar starts to dissolve. What's going to happen is the eggs are going to slowly cook in that simmering water, that water bath, and everything will start to thicken up. But first step of the recipe is we need to get that sugar dissolved with the eggs. So you need to continually whisk this till the sugar has dissolved, and you'll start to see the eggs getting a little bit fluffy, and that's fine. Now to this we're going to add the rest of our ingredients. That's the 1/2 cup of lemon juice, the 2 tablespoons of the lemon zest, and our cubed butter. Pop it all in. Now you need to stir this around until the butter dissolves, and at the moment the mixture is quite thin. We're going to take this to a stage which we call nappe, which means that it coats the back of a spoon. So we've only been about 5 minutes into the process, and I just want to show you the consistency of this. A little bit foamy on the top. That's going to start to disappear as it starts to get thicker. You'll see that going. This mixture now, if you can have a look at that, it's quite runny, and it's not quite to the nappe stage at this point, which means we need to coat the back of a spoon. So we need to continue whisking until it starts to thicken. So now, as you can see, the mixture has got lovely and thick, and that froth on the top is completely gone. Now I want to take it off the heat, so we're going to just put it onto the bench there. I want it to stop its cooking process now because it's getting really lovely and thick. And I want to show you that stage that we call nappe, which means it will coat the back of a spoon. And as you can see, look at that. It's gone from super thin to beautiful and thick. So we're going to let this cool down slightly, and I've got some jars that I'm going to pour it into, and that is your lemon curd or lemon butter recipe pretty much done. Eggs have done their job, they've thickened everything up beautifully, and it's got that lovely lemony flavour. So let's get these into the sterilised jars. Thanks again guys for watching my channel. Give that recipe a try. I'll see you on my next recipe. Have yourselves a fantastic week.